Hi, my name is Philip, your data analyst, and today I'll be walking us through the analysis of sales for WixSin Company. For WixSin Company to first, our first key point is to look at our KPIs. The KPI for the WixSin Company refers to the total revenues and the total units produced. So we have the numbers there on our dashboard also, and I'm going to look into the charts to make some analysis based on the profits made per keys. So the first chart I'm looking at is top 5 best-selling products. So the top 5 best-selling products shows us that we the maximum UM 11, Maximus UM 11 gives us the highest number of products, and also from the top 5 the number 5th position is maximum US RS01. So this, from here we know which products to produce more for the customers. So the customers really wants to purchase more of the Maximus UM11. And also the next chart I'm looking at is the identifying the top performing segment. So the top performing segment is giving us the analysis based on the segments conditions we have established, which is the convenience, moderation, the extreme, the productivity, and all seasons, youth, regular, and select. So the convenience gives us the highest product. So our customers are going for more products with convenience. That gives them convenience. So if we are to produce more products for our customers, so we have to look into the convenience aspect of their needs, and that settles it for the performing segment. Also for the proportion of category to revenue. So this pie chart gives me the analysis of the revenue we acquire based on the categories parameters we have set in mind. So some of the categories and the list of the categories are mixed, rural, urban, and the youth. So we have the highest number of revenue from the urban settlements. So that gives us a leverage. So our analysis points us to the fact that our products are more valuable to the urban areas. Also, the next chart I'm looking at is the revenue monthly trend, and the revenue monthly trend is telling us the revenue we got per month, as the case may be. And for January, we have the revenue stable till February, and from February to March there was a high increase, that's a huge increase in revenue. Although from the March period to up to June, we had a pitfall of revenues, and there is a pitfall of revenue for a particular month which was not stated, which was not covered in our data set. And also for the revenue daily trends, that is a daily trends of revenue we're able to acquire from the data set is this. On Sundays we don't have much of revenues coming in, although we have some amount of revenues coming into the company. And also from Monday, I think Monday is, yeah, from this analysis we can see that Monday is the our peak, our utmost peak for revenue income. And also Tuesdays also can be classified as one of the good days for us. Then we have a pitfall on Wednesdays. Then we had a little bit of rise on Thursdays. Then Fridays to Saturdays, we didn't have a very good outcome. Also, we also have a pitfall at a specific day which was not covered on our data set. And also we are going to be looking at the state contribution to the revenue. So which state gave us more revenue? And if we were to look at our pie chart here, we can see that Ontario is one of the states that gives us is the actual state that gives us the highest revenue. So our products are being utilized by people from Ontario. We have more customers from Ontario demanding for our products. So if we are to ship out our goods, we ship more products to that region so that we can have more sales. Because the demand there is high, so we need to give them the services and the products they need so that there won't be scarcity of products from our end at Ontario. So from this we can also my slicers also can also give us some insight into some data based on segments and weekdays. So if we truly want to get some insight into deep insight into some segments of the data, like the convenience, as you can see there, that the convenience give us more um product, more revenue, more profit rather. And if I should click on the convenience, the slicer filters um the slicer filters the data and gives me back the results. Then also with this also I can also filter based on weekdays rather. So which of the weekdays I would like to choose. Let's pick Thursday and see if due to convenience also at what level does that also gives us the threshold. So we can also see that the data are also responding to the slides and we can take insight from this when needed. Thank you for listening.